Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming in with a super cool product. This is the Bedjet. You can go to their website at bedjet.com. They just launched this thing, and it's pretty darn amazing. I got to tell you, we've tested a lot of different bed, like mattresses, heaters, coolers, covers, things of this nature. This thing works really well at quickly cooling or heating your bed. It also has dual zone technology for couples, so that one side can be cool or warm, or whatever temperatures people take and want to do. It even has a Bluetooth intelligent sleep app that you can take and integrate with this, so you can control it from your phone that you probably have in your bed while you're reading yourself to sleep. So pretty cool this way. It's basically the Bedjet climate comfort system. So you can adjust this to stop night sweats. You can make it so that it's nice and cool for you. You can have a different temperature than your partner in the bed. And it basically comes with this cover that's got two sides to it. And depending upon which model you buy, you can have one or two blowers. One if you just want to do one for a single person, or if you've got a couple, you can take and buy two blowers. And it will take and blow up inside of the cover that goes over you. Either the temperature you want for cooling or the temperature you want for heating, and you can balance it out and find the perfect way to get it for you. So finally, there's no more fighting over the thermostat and who wants it too hot and too cold. What's really nice about this, as opposed to some other products that we've taken and reviewed that are like these, is this thing moves really quickly in getting the bed cool or getting the bed warmed up. The warm air just totally fills up into the top blanket, and you only just feel like you're crawling into just a nice warm blanket that just come out of the dryer. And it's just that wonderful, comfortable feeling, sometimes the same sort of feeling you get when you get a nice hot towel that comes out of a nice hotel room. And so this thing works really quickly at getting you either cool or getting you warmed up and just making it comfortable. It just blows the air, heats it or cools it, and away you go. It's even got a filter in the front of it, so it can take and filter air, and of course you can replace the filter as you want to. I'm super impressed with it. You may have seen some of the commercials. It's been all over Facebook and other different places, and using the app is really easy to do. I've been kind of blown away, and it's really comfortable and nice, especially when you crawl into bed and you've got the nice warm blanket over you, and it just blows right in the bed, poofs it up, and it's just wonderful. Fairly easy to set up. We'll go through the box on the unboxing there, and you can see there's a few different parts, but it's not too hard. You just plug it in. You can slide it under your bed to hide it so it isn't sticking out and you're tripping over it or whatever. And it just fills up the bed, and away you go. And the nice thing is, it's going to make you sleep like you're a baby. And of course, it's got different things and features inside of the app where you can have it auto shut off. You can do all sorts of different things to make it so that you can sleep comfortably and better, and away you go. So I highly recommend this product. I'm super impressed with it. Be sure to go to the website at bedjet.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you.